You're about to watch the Polly Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
Alright folks, we're at Vinny's Pizzeria. Yeah, Pizzeria. Vinny's Pizzeria here in Orange Beach, Alabama. We ordered a pizza. Well, I ordered it. What I got was an 8-piece supreme pizza that features some pepperoni, sausage, ham, sliced meatballs, bacon, onion, mushroom, green pepper, black olive, and tomato. Looking forward to trying this. Total cost was $32.73. I gave a $5 tip, so I hope they take care of me. You know, this is a one-of-a-kind restaurant. Never been here before. You know, looking forward to reviewing this pizza. So here it is, 8-piece as advertised. Look at the crust underneath. Yeah, looks pretty good. Let's give it a try. Alright, little lady just said the prayers. Now it's time to dig into this supreme pizza. Here it is again. There's meatballs on there too, you know. There's the bottom. Not bad. Took about 10-15 minutes. It is nice and hot. Just came out of the oven. It's good taste. I think I want to put some shaker cheese on it. Okay, the verdict is this is good pizza. Thin crust is not my style, really. Yeah, it's thin crust. It does have a good cheese factor. It has a good sauce factor, and toppings is good. Underneath, nice color. But I was thinking it's missing something, and I don't think they put any salt and pepper on top of here, or any other kind of seasoning like Italian or anything like that, which initially makes it feel kind of, or taste kind of bland, but it's actually really good. Once you put on a little bit of a shaker cheese and some crushed red pepper, or pepper flakes, I mean, it's good stuff. Now for $32 for 2 drinks and their smallest pizza. I think they could. I'm nitpicking here, okay? So I would ask maybe get some plastic cups and plastic plates. You need to shed those. I wouldn't even use paper plates on my flight deck picnics on the Destroyer. I guess it's better than just getting a paper towel. But yeah, so on the Detmer's pepperoni scale rating, from 0 to 5. I'll give this one for a thin crust. I'll give this one a 4.5. From Vinny's Pizzeria, this is Paulie Detmers. See y'all next time.